Gonna hang out. We're gonna chat about life during a pandemic.
Hey guys,
Welcome here.
welcome to, how many days of isolation is this?
I have no idea. I don't think anybody knows how many days of isolation they've been in.
Who could count that high?
Who could even know? But we want to welcome you guys to our living room. We're just hanging out, drinking our coffee. Mom and Dad gave us these mugs.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. I like these. They got them from Vancouver Island. So even though we couldn't go to Vancouver Island, we got a little souvenir anyway. So
Hey, and
thanks, Mom and Dad.
if I hold it with my right hand, you don't see any icons. If I hold it with my left hand, which is odd, then you get to see everything.
It says, "You make me a happy camper.
There you go.
You guys make us happy campers."
There you go. But I'm going to hold it with my right hand.
Today we're just going to hang out. We're going to chat about life during a pandemic.
That's right. What does our isolation look like? That's what we're going to
Talk to you guys about a couple of things. First of all, it's important to be thankful.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It might even be a few things, just saying.
So in our life, we call it counting your blessings.
Yep.
So we want to just go through a couple of things, not a whole list because that would take all day, but we want to just talk to you a little bit about being thankful and the things that we are thankful for and encourage you to do the same.
Absolutely.
In your life.
Yeah, because being thankful and seeing things that that are really special in life still should happen on an everyday basis, no matter what's going on in your life.
Regardless of circumstances. So, I am thankful that I am stuck with this guy. Because if you have to be quarantined with someone, it better be somebody you like.
Sounds like a Huey Lewis and the News song.
What's that song? How's it go?
I'm so happy to be
stuck with
you. There you go. Hey, we sang karaoke on Sunday night. That was awesome.
Oh, yes. We should tell you guys about that. Slow Momentum.
Yes, Keith.
A YouTube channel. And check it out. We'll put the link in the description below for his YouTube channel. And every once in a while, he does karaoke night. So much fun. You guys got to come and hang out. And that is actually... Oh, that's something else I want to be thankful for. I'm going to do 2 in a row, and then I'll give Kent a chance to do 2 in a row.
It's fine.
I'm thankful for our YouTube community. There are so many ways to connect with people. So there are these live streams that happen almost every night, well, probably every night of the week.
Oh.
And probably some afternoons
Probably
and some mornings.
every night of the week.
Lots of places to go to check out some live stream action. And some of them are funny. Some of them are games or like karaoke or different contests, trivia, that
just
kind of thing.
hanging out.
It's so awesome because we do not feel socially isolated. We feel physically isolated, but we don't feel socially isolated. And we encourage you guys to go check some of those out. We'll put some of our favorites below in the description and encourage you guys to come and hang out with us. And we'll even start putting things, I think, on our community tab. So
the guys won last time.
It was a tie.
Oh, come on. You know what?
It was a tie.
Do you know how they... Okay,
Keith tied it at the end of the night. The guys were leading, and then Keith tied it. So we are going to be karaoke again on Sunday night.
That was a gift.
Anyway, we're...
Maybe a blessing.
We will put the links below. Encourage you guys to join us. I will also be posting on our community tab anytime that Kent and I are going to be in a live stream or special guests or, whatever, hanging out.
These are important. These are very important because when someone feels isolated and separated from everybody else, that can be detrimental.
Yeah, you can
to their mental
do that
health.
Slippery slope to depression and despair, and we certainly do not want to see anybody have that happen. So
you might start talking to a volleyball, and that wouldn't be good. Okay.
You're so quirky.
There you go. Keep going.
What are you thankful for, Kent?
Hey, I am thankful for so many things. Number one, we have a lot of supplies right now. We're doing good.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. There's a few people that actually helped us out a lot to make sure that we got everything taken care of. Yeah. And we're settled right now. We've got something to show you. In the next couple of days, I'm going to do...
I bet you can't guess.
So...
If you're an RVer, you have no idea what this is,
No idea.
Right?
So what we've got coming out of the ground over there is a 4-inch pipe.
Stack.
And a stack. This goes on top of it.
Not to be confused with a snack.
As a collar. And then this goes on top of it. And then we will have access to our very own dump station.
Our old poop hole! Yay!
Right over there.
And when Kent says right over there, what he's talking about is we are hanging out at the family farm here in BC, British Columbia, which is the southwest corner of Canada. It is warmer here than it is in Alberta. It is sometimes rainy, but that's okay. We can handle the rain. And yeah, we're pretty excited to have our own little standing dump.
Without that, we would have to move every 7-8 days and come back. Or with that, it's all taken care of.
You can just stay in one place.
Power to the sump pump in there and do a dump every week. We're good.
So very thankful for that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's something I'm working on in the next couple of days.
Speaking of which, I am thankful for family. Just having a place to stay. We're basically going to be quarantining with this family together. So we're going to be in their house, outside, looking after kids, helping with the animals, that kind of thing. So
that's right.
It's important to keep yourself safe and to be with people who you love and who care about you, and you can take care of each other. So we've got
lots of things to do.
What else are you thankful for?
Because of all of the animals around here. Well, we were holding some of the puppies yesterday. They're twice as big as when we left.
So cute. They're so cute. And we're excited.
Eyes are just opening.
Yeah, we're excited to be here for the next few weeks so that we can actually watch them grow and bring them outside and play with them, and just like, it's puppy heaven. Who doesn't want puppies? Puppies are adorable. So
puppies are awesome.
We will be bringing lots of that footage for you.
Yeah.
As soon as they're big enough to handle, they're still really tiny, like Kent said. They're just starting to open their eyes.
So over the next few weeks, there's going to be something called the isolation hairstyle.
That's going to be entertaining.
And we're going to see that on our Instagram feeds. And it's going to be amazing. I'm already working on mine.
You see, Kent trimmed his beard. I'm so impressed. He did a good job. He doesn't look like Wolverine anymore. No, Wolverine has like the beard that goes right up his cheeks.
No, that's John Wick. Yeah, he's got the fur that goes almost to his eyeballs.
That was happening with Kent. I'm like, you gotta fix that. It's looking a little scary. Anyway, I've actually been cutting my own hair for the last couple of years. I go to my hairdresser once a year in Calgary. Other than that, I do it myself.
Because we're on the road.
Lately, I've been cutting Kent's hair too. I know you probably noticed. You're like, yeah, that's no big surprise. I am not a hairdresser. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like hacking away. And I don't even have the clipper things. I just have scissors. So yes, we would love to see some of your DIY haircuts. If you have been doing your own haircuts, or this is going to be your first time, or ladies, if you're going to be coloring your hair or letting it grow out, send us pictures, send us videos, and we may just feature you on Living Light RV. That would be pretty fun. We could have a hair special or hair corner or something like that every week.
That's right.
That would be
so funny. That would be a bit hairy.
That'd be hairy.
Yeah.
Hairy, scary. Scary, hairy.
Isolation dues.
There you go. So yeah, go ahead and send those to us. All right.
Hey, we're very thankful, as Lisa said, that we actually have a place to settle.
You were going to say hunker down.
Well, I was. But to settle, because there's quite a few people that live full-time in an RV, and they are still having to move. And they still have to move again. And they know that their time runs out at the next place that they're going to, and they'll have to move after that.
Our prayers and concern are out for you guys. We know that a lot of you have been reaching out to us and saying, we're being told to move. We can't even stay on BLM as long as we'd like to. Or in campgrounds. Some campgrounds are closing. You all know this story. This is nothing new. But we are praying for you, and our hearts go out to you, and hope that you find a place where you can be safe and where you can settle and just weather out this storm. So our thoughts are with you.
Yeah. My goodness, this has been the longest March I've ever experienced. I think it's day 554 of March 2020.
It'll end eventually.
Yeah.
This too shall pass.
There you go.
It will. Okay, we want to talk to you guys about a comment that we received recently on a couple of our last videos. And you can go back and find it if you want. We're not going to call out the person because I think this person was genuinely concerned. But we kind of got, what's the word? We got chastised. We got chastised by this person. She was saying, I don't know if it's a she or he, I think it's a she, was saying that we are not compassionate enough, we are not being empathetic to the situation, we don't realize how serious it is, you know, how dare us make jokes and laugh and have a good time. This is tragic and it's horrible, and you guys need to, you know, be more sensitive to that.
And more people will be in harm's way if we all don't take it really seriously, like 24 hours a day. And
then she gave a whole bunch of stats or how many deaths there have been and that kind of thing. So we just want to address that to everyone, not just we did address this person directly in her comments, but we want to address it here on our video.
Yeah.
We definitely recognize the seriousness of this situation. We are not unaware of that. Yeah. We fully understand it. We don't understand the gravity because it's just too big, I think, for any of us to truly comprehend, but we get it.
Yeah.
And we are sorry for those of you who are struggling through this.
We know that so many households will be personally affected.
It's going to be hard. It's hard now, but it's going to get harder, I think. And we have lots of personal friends and family who are on the front lines, who are first responders, who are out there making a difference in the world.
And we care about them.
And we do care. And we realize that they are putting themselves at a greater risk. And we appreciate that. We are very thankful for those people. We realize it's serious. But like we said to this person in response to their post, we said, we refuse to panic. We refuse to be full of fear and overcome by that. Yeah. We will always try and stay positive. We will always try to be that inspiration and encouragement to people.
Yep, the light.
The light. And we're
going to keep the light on.
And we believe that laughter is good medicine. And we will continue to bring our personalities to the table, as it were. And we just are positive kind of people. And so we just want to bring hope. We want to bring encouragement. We want to, like Kent said even earlier, we don't want to go down that slippery slope of despair and depression and darkness. You know, it's there. We know it's there. We are not burying our heads in the sand, but we are trying to be positive through it all.
I go back to listen to, and I did recently, I listened to Churchill's speech that says we're going to fight them on the beaches. We're going to fight them in the air. We're going to fight them wherever we have to. That speech was given when they had no idea if it was a done deal for them or not. They thought it could go either way. And he still stood up as a leader to say, we're in this together, we're going to fight together, we're going to win together. It takes leadership at this time of this kind of magnitude of seriousness.
And it takes togetherness.
Yes.
So we don't apologize for cracking jokes. We don't apologize for laughing. We don't apologize for being part of people's live streams where we're goofing around and having a great time. And
we do wear our seatbelts.
That's right. Yes, just blanket statement. Anytime you ever see us driving in our rig, we are wearing our seatbelts all the time.
Yeah.
But we don't have shoulder belts because Bessie doesn't come with shoulder belts. Her original seatbelts are only the lap belts. So that's what we're wearing. You can't see them, but we are wearing them, we promise.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Guys, it won't be that long until we're looking back at these times and say, wow, I can't believe we got through that. We got through it and we're good. And we're going to look forward to all of the amazing things that we get to do. And one thing I'm looking forward to is Quartzsite 2021.
Oh, my word.
That
is going to be so awesome.
A blast.
Quartzsite 2020 was awesome. You guys know that. You've seen the videos. It's fantastic.
Yes.
But 2021, when we're on the other side of this battle, of this storm, of this pandemic,
2021 will be a celebration.
Those hugs are just going to be so much more precious, and that time around the campfire together is going to be so much more specialer. Yes. It's going to be specialer.
That's right.
Anyway, we are.
And you're invited.
You are all invited. So we will find a way to make room for everyone. It's not an organized event.
No.
It'll just be, we're going to be there. If you're there too, we'll tell you where we're going to be, and we can just all hang out together. So
all you have to do is put it in the calendar to get down to Quartzsite in the last by the 14th or 21st.
It's like middle of January.
Yeah. And when the day comes, you'll know where to go.
By the way, you guys, we would just encourage you that if you are enjoying this video or any of our videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you're doing to stay sane as you are isolating and taking care of yourself and your families. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
What about the bell?
The bell icon, yes. Hit the bell icon. Whenever we post anything on a community tab or a new video coming out or going live or whatever, if you hit the bell icon, you will get notified for that. So then you won't miss anything.
Now, there's
definitely being part of our community means hitting the bell.
Now, is there a couple of ways to touch that bell icon?
Yeah, there's like a get all notifications or personalized or whatever, but just hit it and hit all. It's good.
Yeah, I don't think we'll over saturate the market if you hit all. Yeah, I think we're good.
It's all good. Anyway, the other thing we wanted to mention is when you are looking for ways to support your favorite content creator, someone who is really building into your life, someone who is really giving you value for for the time that you're spending on YouTube, really encourage you guys to go ahead and subscribe to their channels. Look and see if they have Amazon links. That is a free way that you can support people.
That's right.
We do have Amazon links on all of our videos. We have a link for our American friends as well as one for our Canadian friends. So we encourage you to go ahead and shop through those links. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It is just a really convenient way to support your favorite content creators. So we encourage you to do that with lots of different people.
What it does is you spend your dollars on Amazon like you would always do. And then we get a little bit of money where we can buy some gear or a t-shirt or something that we're going to spend money on anyways, but we get to buy it because you guys have helped us.
Or maybe even toilet paper.
Could be.
We all appreciate you and we love you. We care about you. Stay safe. My name's Lisa.
And my name's Kent, and we're Living Light RV.
We are grabbing life by the tail in the middle of a pandemic. Yeah. We know you are too. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we will see you next Thursday.
We got this at Costco about 2 months ago. Hey, and see that video right there? I think you'll like that one. And that playlist, that's all of our best. You should watch that one too. Thanks, guys.
Take care.